Well, good morning all. It's Thursday morning and it's breakfast time. The avocados have ripened. Of course, it's September right around now, like it usually happens. And I've found a couple dropped on the ground in the backyard and I brought them inside. And over a couple of days, all it takes is a day or two to ripen. And over a couple of days, all it takes is a day or two to ripen. And lo and behold, I'm having avocados with my breakfast today. Yum. So why all this fuss about avocado and the avocado season? Well, because it's one of my favorite fruits. Yes, avocado is a fruit. I would consider it, with less knowledge about it, a vegetable because it is something you chop up and you blend with your lettuce and your tomatoes and whatever else in a salad. But no, for sure it is categorized quite truly as a fruit. And as a person who wants to become a full vegetarian, I find that avocado is one of the most dependable protein source that I can have in my regimen as a vegetarian or vegan, if it comes to that. A medium-sized avocado has 3 to 4 grams of protein, a relatively high amount of protein for a fruit. Yes, indeed. It also provides vitamins like folate, that is a B vitamin, which is important for protein absorption and hormone regulation. It is also a great fruit for muscle building. And if you're over 60, you know how important that is to have a good resource or reserve of muscles, because as you get older, you're losing your muscle tone and having to eat properly to make sure you're maintaining good muscle tone. So I love my avocados, and I'm happy when the season comes around that I can have it in abundance to have for myself, share with the neighbors and friends, and to just have a great time perhaps at a get-together. So don't forget your guacamole. Now let me say thank you to my new subscribers. I'm looking forward to come back at you with more contents that are in my repertoire of philosophy and theology. And so I look forward for you to join me next time. And until then, happy Thursday and have a great life.